Let's take a look at basic storage. If you take a look at the basic units of storage, we have a nibble, and there's different ways to spell that, but that's 4 bits of information. Now the word bit itself means binary digit, so one nibble is 4 bits or binary digits, which is the equivalent of 1 hex digit. A byte is 8 bits or 2 nibbles or 2 hex digits worth of information. Now when you take a look here, kilo typically means in science 1,000. But over here we have more than that. We actually have 1,024. And the reason for that is because you're working in base 2. The closest to 1,000 you can get is 2 to the 10 bytes. So a megabyte is 2 to the 20, a gigabyte is 2 to the 30, all the way up to a yottabyte, that's a lot of yotta, is 2 to the 80 bytes. So let's take a look at our particular microcontroller that we're looking at here, a very simple one. It's got a 16-bit address bus, so how much total storage is that? Well, if you think about it, each address contains 8 bits or 1 byte of storage. There's 16 bits for the address bus, which means you have 2 to the 16 different combinations, and each one of those combinations contains 8 bits or 1 byte of data. So if you do the math, that means we have a total storage here of 2 to the 16 bytes of total storage. And if we rewrite that, that's the same as 2 to the 6 times 2 to the 10 bytes, which is the same as 2 to the 6 kilobytes, which works out to be 64K. What does that mean? The total addressable space of this address bus for this microcontroller for all flash, RAM, I/O, and everything is a total of 64K. That's the maximum amount of resources this microcontroller can have. If the address bus is bigger, you could have more resources, but that's what this particular one here has.